Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn about email campaigns. Email campaigns should be as profitable as possible. You need the trust of your subscribers if you want to get the most out of your email marketing campaigns. In order for subscribers to look forward to your emails, they must be fully engaged in your emails. As a result, each will look forward to your messages. In other words, you should fully share your emails with your subscribers so they look forward to each one. Your subscribers joined your email list because they perceived you as an expert who knows what is going on in your niche. When we are talking about email marketing campaigns, getting email subscribers to trust you is not too difficult. Start out with the right mindset here, and do not worry about your email message. A lot of people that are just starting out with email marketing think that it will take a lot of time and effort to build trust with their subscribers. This is not a good starting point for you. Believe that you can win the trust of your subscribers with the very first email that you send to them. You must continue to build on this with each email you send out going forward. If you have provided your subscribers with a high-quality incentive that provides a great deal of value, then you are halfway at least to gain the trust of your subscribers and encourage them to join your email list. Email subscribers place your trust in experts. From the very first email that you send out to your subscribers, you need to prove that you know what you are talking about. Receiving emails from you will make them feel at ease, right? But only when your subscribers perceive that you are an expert in your niche. You provide a lot of value with your email campaigns, and you should keep doing so in the emails you send out. Make sure to clearly offer your subscribers advice and helpful hints. Be open and honest in your email campaigns. Use an honest approach with your subscribers in your email marketing campaigns. Don't just promote any products and services to them to try and make a few dollars. If you promote a lesser quality and your subscribers are disappointed with their purchase, they will quickly lose trust in you. Make a point of telling your subscribers in your email marketing campaigns that no products and services are perfect. Commit to only promoting products and services of the highest quality. Forget about those offers that promise the world and deliver very little. Show your subscribers that you are on their side, and they will reward you with your email campaigns. Remind your subscribers that they can ability escape. Some people who subscribe to email lists think that they are stuck in this situation for life. Be confident and tell your subscribers in your email campaigns that they can unsubscribe from your email list at any time. If you are providing high-quality email marketing campaigns that provide excellent value, then they will never want to leave. Never be afraid to tell them that they have the ability to escape. How to make active emails engaging for subscribers. To get the best results from your email list, you need to engage your subscribers in all email campaigns. Keep in mind that you need to put thought into all of the emails that you send and put your subscribers first. If you don't do this, all of your list building efforts and email campaigns will have been wasted. Some marketers think that once you have an email list you can start email marketing campaigns, and just sending any kind of email out will get a response. This is totally untrue, and you need to make an effort with the content of your emails. Here we will share with you 4 ways that you can make your email marketing campaign messages more engaging for your subscribers. Tell stories in your emails. Add the value to all of your emails sent. Keep it simple. Use cliffhangers in your emails. 1. Tell stories in your emails. Everyone likes a good story. However, we are not suggesting that you make things up here. What you should do is tell a story of how you overcame obstacles in your niche and became successful. Also, tell stories that will inspire your subscribers. If you can do it, so can they. You can tell your subscribers how you got started with your email marketing campaigns and what you had to do to achieve success in your niche. This will be extremely beneficial to your subscribers. Even your more experienced subscribers will be interested in seeing how you started out and what problems you encountered in your email campaigns. 2. Add the value to all of your emails sent. When you write your email message, ask yourself, what's in it for them? By putting your subscribers first every time, you will provide the value in your emails that they want and expect. You will increase your KLT factor when you regularly provide value to your subscribers. Even when you promote a product or a service, do this by adding value to your email campaigns. 3. Keep it simple. When you sign up for an autoresponder service like GetResponse or Auber, there will be many looking email templates available for you to use. We recommend that you ignore these and stick to a standard plain text format. What we do suggest is: I suggest you add a photograph of yourself to your emails. You want to show your subscribers that you are a real person. Try to keep your emails as short as you can in your email marketing campaigns. Break longer emails up into different parts. 4. Use cliffhangers in your emails. The right use of cliffhangers can have your subscribers eagerly awaiting your next email. A cliffhanger is where you end your email messages with a statement about the next one to follow. Your aim here is to build excitement and anticipation for what is to come in your email campaigns. In conclusion, to get the best results from your email list, you need to engage your subscribers in all email marketing campaigns. You can increase your KLT factor when you regularly provide value to your subscribers. Never be afraid to tell your subscribers that they can escape from their email list at any time. Email marketing campaigns should be as profitable as possible. When you write your email campaigns, ask yourself what's in it for them, but only when your subscribers perceive that you are an expert in your niche. Tell us, what is the challenge of your email campaigns? Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel to get the new tutorials.